Big cities are often loud, crowded, and overstimulating. For introverts, that sounds more like survival training than a vacation. But what if there were cities that quietly understood you? Places that move at your pace, calm, soulful, filled with hidden corners and peaceful cafés, where you can explore without being drained. Today, we're uncovering 7 cities introverts secretly love visiting. Destinations where you can connect with culture, enjoy stillness, and recharge in your own quiet way. These aren't deserted places. They're cities that simply know how to breathe slowly. Number 7, Kyoto, Japan. Tranquility in motion. Kyoto is where Japan's ancient spirit still whispers between bamboo forests and temple bells. For introverts, this city feels like a form of therapy. You can start your mornings walking through the Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, where the tall green stalks sway gently above your head, and the only sound you hear is the rustle of leaves. Visit Kinkakuji, the Golden Pavilion, early in the morning. The reflection of gold on the still pond creates a sense of peace few cities can offer. Kyoto also offers hidden tea houses, quiet alleys in Gion, and peaceful Zen gardens like Ryoanji, where you can sit in silence for hours without anyone disturbing you. Even though it's a popular destination, Kyoto moves slowly. It's a place that respects quiet moments, and for introverts, that's pure gold. Number 6, Copenhagen, Denmark. Calm, clean, and connected, Copenhagen is made for people who love serenity. It's stylish, but never loud, social, but never overwhelming. The Danish concept of hygge, cozy contentment, shapes the city's rhythm. You'll find peaceful cafes tucked beside canals, locals reading quietly by the water, and bike-friendly streets where everything feels effortless. Take a slow ride through Nyhavn, stroll around the King's Garden, or spend an afternoon at the Louisiana Museum of Modern Art, overlooking the sea. Even in winter, when the days are short, Copenhagen feels warm. Introverts love how the city invites you to be alone without feeling lonely. Number 5, Edinburgh, Scotland. History wrapped in mist. Edinburgh is where introverts feel seen. The city is wrapped in cobblestone charm and quiet mystery. It's easy to disappear into its rhythm. And that's exactly what makes it special. Walk the Royal Mile early in the morning when it's still empty. Climb up Arthur's Seat for a view of the city beneath rolling clouds. Wander through Dean Village, a hidden neighborhood along the water of Leith that feels like a time capsule. Edinburgh's small cafes and bookshops, like armchair books, invite you to slow down. And when evening falls, you can listen to street musicians in the distance as fog rolls through the castle walls. It's a city that doesn't demand your energy. It gently restores it. Number 4, Reykjavik, Iceland. Isolation that heals. Reykjavik is the perfect mix of solitude and wonder. The city itself is small, safe, and surrounded by breathtaking nature. You can walk almost everywhere without crowds pressing around you. For introverts who love nature, this city is paradise. One day, you can stroll along the old harbor watching seabirds, and the next, soak in the blue lagoon's milky waters, feeling every bit of tension fade. If you need even more quiet, you can escape into Iceland's wild landscapes. Waterfalls, black sand beaches, or hot springs in total silence. Reykjavik gives you both peaceful city charm and a gateway to the most introspective landscapes on Earth. If you're enjoying this, hit like and subscribe for more quiet travel tips. Number 3, Vancouver, Canada. Nature inside the city. Vancouver is proof that a city can be alive yet calming. With mountains on one side and the Pacific Ocean on the other, it's a dream for introverts who recharge in nature. You can spend your mornings walking through Stanley Park's forest trails, have quiet coffee breaks in Gastown, and then watch the sunset from English Bay Beach. Even though Vancouver is a major city, its culture encourages balance. People respect personal space. There are plenty of cafés, bookstores, and seaside paths where you can think, write, or simply watch the world go by. And if you ever feel overstimulated, nature is always just a few minutes away. Perfect for an introvert's escape. Number 2, Florence, Italy. Quiet corners of art and soul. Florence is known for Renaissance art, but it's also a masterpiece of peaceful beauty. It's one of those rare European cities where time feels slower, especially if you know where to go. Early mornings at Ponte Vecchio, before tourists arrive, are magical. The Boboli Gardens offer shaded pathways, secret fountains, and moments of stillness. Visit San Miniato al Monte for sunset. It's one of the city's most peaceful viewpoints, overlooking all of Florence. Florence invites introverts to connect deeply with art and atmosphere. Not just see it, but feel it. Every cobblestone and church whisper history quietly, allowing you to wander at your own pace. It's not just a trip, it's reflection through architecture. Number 1, Kyoto's European twin, Ljubljana, Slovenia. Ljubljana might be one of Europe's best-kept secrets for introverts. Small, green, and remarkably quiet, it offers a slower rhythm that feels almost meditative. The old town is filled with pastel buildings, calm riverside cafes, and friendly locals who never rush. You can sit for hours by the Ljubljanica River, reading or journaling, and no one will interrupt. The city promotes a car-free lifestyle, which makes it peaceful to walk or bike everywhere. Visit Tivoli Park, wander through Metelkova's art district, or take a day trip to Lake Bled, where silence is broken only by the sound of oars on water. Ljubljana feels personal, like the city was built for your quiet side. It's the kind of place where introverts don't just travel, they belong. Bonus mentions for quiet travelers. If you're planning more introvert-friendly adventures, here are a few extra destinations worth exploring. Porto, Portugal. Small, poetic, filled with riverside cafes. Tallinn, Estonia. Fairy tale streets and a calm, creative vibe. Chiang Mai, Thailand. Spiritual energy, temples, and gentle people. Helsinki, Finland. Design, silence, and sauna culture. Each of these cities offers a unique blend of calm energy and soulful exploration. Tips for introverts traveling to cities. Before you go, here are a few survival tips to make your travels even more peaceful. Wake up early, explore before the crowds. Mornings are your best friend. Stay in small boutique hotels or quiet apartments instead of big chains. Plan recharge breaks, cafes, bookstores, parks, or viewpoints where you can rest mentally. Use public transport during off-peak hours. Fewer people, less noise. Adopt slow travel. Spend more time in fewer places. Remember, introvert-friendly travel isn't about hiding from the world. It's about experiencing it on your own terms. For introverts, travel isn't about checking landmarks off a list. It's about soaking in atmosphere, connecting deeply, and finding places where you can be yourself without pressure. These cities prove that you can experience beauty, culture, and wonder without the noise. They welcome your quiet curiosity, your slow steps, and your need for peace. So next time you're planning a trip, skip the tourist chaos. Choose calm, choose a connection. Choose the cities that speak softly, but stay in your heart forever. Because sometimes the best adventures aren't the loudest. They're the ones that whisper, "Welcome home."